Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. How was your day? Have fun always. In this video, I will talk about an interesting topic this semester in my opinions. Before that, let me introduce myself. Well, introduce. My name is Diana Nasratul Munawwarah. Study number 1012 159. I am a student at Islamic Family Law Department in Ponorogo. This video was made to fulfill the final exam for the English course, the supervisor Mr. Al Indrajati. Okay, let me explain the interesting topic in this matter in my opinions. I think the most interesting topic is homosexual. Why? I chose this topic because I think this is an interesting topic to discuss because this topic is still viral in this day and age. Even sadly, in Indonesia, there are still many cases of homosexual. The aim is to provide information about cases of homosexuality, but according to Islam, and the impact of cases of homosexuality itself. So, do you know what homosexuality is? And how is homosexuality according to Islam? Homosexuality is defined as being attracted to people of the same sex. The word homosexual comes from the word homo and sexual. The word homo comes from the Greek, which means the same, and sexual comes from the English language, which means having sex. Homosexuality is the act of men and women who are emotionally and sexually attracted to the same sex. Homosexuality can be interpreted as a attraction that tends to the same sex, whether it's fellow men or fellow women. In development in society, the term homosexual is more often used for sex with men called gay, and for sex with women it is called lesbian. Sexual deviant behavior such as homosexual gay, according to several sources, show a trend that continues to increase in number. In Islam, homosexual behavior and sexual activity has been clearly stated in the Quran that homosexuality is an act that transgresses. However, problems related to homosexual some do never run out the be discussed and even more prevalent in all circles. In fact, this behavior is prohibited in the Quran and is clearly proven in the story of the Prophet Lot. But why are there so many people on earth who do this homosexual act? In the Quran Surah Al-A'raf verses 80-81, Allah said, A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Walutan idza qala liqaumihi atatuna fahisatan ma sabaqakum biha min ahadin minal alamin. Innakum la ta'tunal rajala sahwatan min dunin nisa'i bal antum qaumun musrifun. Meaning, and we also sent Lut when he said to his people, why did you do a heinous act which no one before you in this world had ever done? Indeed, you have vented your laws on fellow men, not on women. You really are a people who transgress. Quran Surah Al-A'raf 80-81. This verse explains how the Prophet Lut rebuked his people who did very bad action that needed to be straightened out, namely venting laws for the same sex, so that the act was characterized as a jahiliyah. The negative impact of homosexuality. Muhammad Rasfi, in his book Al-Islam wa al-Tib as quotes by Sayyid Sabiq that Islam strictly prohibits homosexuality because it has a negative impact on personal and community life, including 1. A homo has no desire for woman. If they marry, the wife will not get biological satisfaction because the last husband's pilot when he is homosexual to the man he wants. As a result, husband and wife relation without contentious love and affection do not grow and do not get children. Even though his wife is fertile, can have children. 2. Feeling of love with the same sex bring mental disorders that cause a strict attitude and behavior. A homo sometimes behaves as a boy and sometimes as a girl. Style difficult to find a code for this further, and there are also other venereal diseases such as syphilis, hepatitis B, and so on. 5. Visits the diagnosis to the individual perpetrates homosexuality is also a diagnosis to society if individuals are reluctant to get married when their sexual desire illegally by itself will damage the family system and weaken the social foundation. 6. It causes moral destruction, loses the bonds of religious values and love, which ultimately break unlimited freedom as we see in today's society. To avoid the negative consequences of homosexuality, it is necessary to develop morals that are in accordance with religious norms and values. In the formation of correct moral, it is a fantasy along as the principles and systems that apply are materialistic, which are contrary to religious principles and systems. The loss of religious sense in people's lives and the triumph of the love of materialism are factors that cause sexual deviation. Religious leaders and medical experts are working hard to combat and prevent sexual perversion. That's all the presentation of topic that I can convey. Hopefully, is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.